Today I'll be unboxing the Mini Mixits Series 2 mystery pins. These were released in March of 2026 and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature Disney characters with a hat that is themed to a park attraction or an item from their story. So the pin designs we can get are Tramp with a Meatball Hat, Lady with a plate of spaghetti hat, Peter Pan with a ship's wheel hat. We have Goofy with a pirate skull, and the pirate skull has a little captain's hat. We have Tinkerbell with a yarn ball hat, Clarabelle Cow with a different pirate skull hat, and Donald Duck with a rocket ship hat, and Flower with a flower petal hat. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. The pins that I want the most out of this collection are probably Peter Pan and Tinkerbell. I like those two, and those will go good together. And then it would be fun to get Goofy and Clarabelle Cow because they're themed to Pirates of the Caribbean. So those would be the 4 that I want the most, but it would be nice to complete this collection. I do have Series 1 back here, and I'm still missing 1 of those. So 1 to go for those. So let's see how close I can get here. Get into box 1. And I did get all 5 of these boxes from the Disney store. So sometimes that works okay and sometimes it doesn't. So let's see if the Disney store gives me some luck here. All right, so I'm staring at the back of this one, and wow, I have no idea. With the crazy hats, it's really hard to tell the shape of these. And it is Flower. So we have Flower from Bambi, and then he is wearing the Flower Petal Hat. So you got 5 flower petals there. His head is right in the middle. That is super cool. These are really cute pins, but they are kind of odd. It's like their hats are huge. So it's like get the Goofy one and Clarabelle Cow one. It's like, are they Pirates of the Caribbean themed? I don't know. They just have little pirate hats. So this one from the back, it looks like Charlie Brown's head. Maybe Tinkerbell? Tinkerbell's pretty round, right? Oh, it's Clarabelle Cow. Very cool. So we have Clarabelle, and she's got her green pants there and her red shirt, and she's wearing a pirate skull hat. And then the pirate skull has like a bandana on its head with more pirate skulls, I think. There's a whole lot of pirate skulls there. That one is super cool. And I like her little ears sticking out the sides of the pirate skull. All right, so we got started with Flower and Clarabelle. Let's see what we get in box 2. All right. And this one is, no, the Disney store. I can already tell this is another Flower, and it is another Flower. Oh boy. Are these the only 2 pins I'm gonna get? Let's find out. Please don't be Clarabelle. It's Clarabelle. So we have another Clarabelle Cow. So that could mean that these all could be the same, or that's my only dupes and the rest will be the other 6. Let's think positive. Let's see what we get in box 3. Oh man. Gonna feel this one. Ooh, this kind of feels like another Clarabelle. All right, let's see. Oh, it is another Clarabelle Cow. Yikes. Okay, is this one Flower? Ooh, I don't think this is Flower. Okay, well, we cannot complete the collection today. Wow, this unboxing got started off really bad. All right, okay, it isn't. It is different. It's different. I'm looking at the back. It looks different. There's at least big ears. Ooh, actually, this is Goofy. Nice. Hey, we got one I wanted. So we have Goofy. He's got his blue pants, orange shirt, and he is wearing a very similar type of pirate skull, but this pirate skull has an eye patch. And then the hat that's on the pirate skull is a different kind of hat. Looks like might be a captain's hat. So we got our 2 pirates themed ones. So let's see what we get in box 4. So we can still make it to 7. Let's get to 7. Now I'm feeling the bags. Okay, this one feels very round, but I didn't feel the ears sticking out of the side. So I'm hoping it's not Clarabelle. It is not Clarabelle. It's solid round, no ears. And this one is, oh, it's Tramp, the meatball, the meatball hat. So we have Tramp, and he's got a meatball hat, and the meatball has some sauce on it, and then it looks like some probably basil leaves on top of the meatball. Or is that, no, yeah, that'd be basil leaves. I was going to say, is that the top of the tomato, but that's not a tomato, it's a meatball. That is very cool. You gotta love a meatball hat. They should sell these hats in the park so we can all walk around with meatball hats and plates of spaghetti. and along with Tramp, we get another flower. Oh, wow. All right, so we have 3 flowers, 3 Clarabelles, and we have 4. So the most we can get now is 6. So not great here. Let's see, we got our last box. And this one feels like it could be another Clarabelle. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of looks like it is. And it is another Clarabelle. Okay, this is going to be a flower. Let's just get a flower so we can tie it up here, 4 and 4. So this actually feels like it has some other things sticking out of the side. So this one might be different. And it is different. It's not Clarabelle, but I think it might be Goofy. And it is another Goofy. So we have another Goofy, and ooh, this was not a very good unboxing. Only got 4 out of the 8. I mean, I made it halfway, and that's like one of the first points you like to get to, but would have liked to make it a little further, right? So those were the Mini Mixits Series 2 mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of these 4. So my favorite here is Goofy. I love Pirates of the Caribbean, and I like his pirate skull hat with the eye patch, and I like how his hat's wearing a hat. So he has like a captain's hat with the skull and crossbones in the center. So that is my favorite here. And this was not a great unboxing for me. I only got 4 out of the 8. So I'm still missing 4 pins. And the 4 pins I'm missing are Lady, Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, and Donald Duck. So those are the 4 I need to complete this collection. And making it halfway, it's kind of the bare minimum for an unboxing, but I think what made this unboxing a little worse is I have 6 duplicates and only 4 uniques that I'm going to put in my collection. So anytime you end up with more duplicates than collectible ones, that's not a great unboxing. So I don't know. Sometimes that happens. That's why they are mystery pins. It could work out this way. It's just never fun when it does. But I would like to complete this collection and put it on a pin board along with the Series 1 that I have back here, which I'm still missing 1. And I did notice that some of them are paired up. Like in this one, you have Lady and the Tramp, you have Peter Pan and Tinkerbell, and then Clarabelle and Goofy are themed to pirates, so they're kind of a pair there too. And then in the first series, we had Alice and the White Rabbit, and then Mickey and Minnie. I don't know if any of the others were paired up there, but it'd be cool to get them on one pin board and put the pairs together. So right now I'm going to have some gaps in there because Tramp's missing Lady, but that'd be cool to see them all together. And I don't know how popular these are, so I don't know if there will be a Series 3. Series 1 came out less than a year ago, so that was a pretty quick turnaround, so I don't know if they kind of made them at the same time, so maybe they'll stop at 2, or maybe we'll get a 3rd series. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.